it out here to the Silverton Casino, and we're getting ready to set up for the Be My Secret Gearhead Society Cars and Anime Con. So let's get this thing set up. Alright, so we're completely set up, but we still have maybe 2 hours before this event actually starts, so I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. That was such a blast. I want to say thank you to Be My Secret and Gearhead Society for putting on an amazing show. This was probably the first show, actually yeah, it was the first car show that I've done since 2018 with this car. I had a great time. It was the first time having a vendor booth there, and they were amazing hosts. Everything was super chill and easy. If you've never been to one of their events, I highly recommend you go check it out. They do stops all over on the West Coast, over in California, Arizona, even Utah, and I believe Colorado as well, so definitely check out their events. I really wasn't expecting this, but I took home most prestigious, best track inspired. I went there just as a vendor, hoping to be able to meet you guys and also sell some of my t-shirts, but I guess I was part of the car show as well, and I ended up winning this. So thank you so much. I appreciate this. Totally wasn't expecting it, but it's awesome. Man, the response I got from everybody that was at the show attending, it was amazing. Everybody loved the new look, and I think a lot of people just didn't know about this car. They haven't seen it since, I put it in retirement back in 2018. So the response from everybody was really, really good. And I definitely want to get out and do more stuff. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think a show I should go check out or take the car to, and possibly do another vendor booth. If you weren't able to make it out to the show, it's all good. I still have stuff available on my website, and I can ship it out to you. You can pick it up at fluxtuning.com. I got t-shirts, decals, so check that out if you missed it. And those of you guys that did stop by my booth, thank you so much. It was good chatting it up with you guys and finally, meeting you as well. And I appreciate you swinging by. I have a lot of stuff planned for the car because of the last track day. So stay tuned for that content. We're gonna be changing some stuff up on the vehicle. And also, I got a big announcement, a sponsorship that's coming up that I wanna announce, but there'll be another video for that. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. All right, thank you guys. Till next time.